Let me show you the central three-dimensional warehouse of our no spare parts. Take a look at our cleaning specials. And our Area A, Area B, Area C, and over there each box here is a kind of wood. Every wood is a code like this. Smaller the switch is also in stock. Look over here can be in this place. Take a panoramic view of our warehouse. Can take a look. Look over here. Overnight here. For more I can't put it here, so I put it here. Each box here is a material. It's all divided into 4 layers. We all have 1 tier, 2 tier, 3 tier, 4. Take a look here. Let me introduce to you. Here like this is our solenoid valve series. Here is our solenoid valve series. Look over here. Here is like this observation port handle of our stirring host we all have. These, as long as it is a soft stirring accessory, we have all accessories, big or small. Look at this one in the T-zone over here. Look here again, it's all ours cloth bag. What type of bag is there? This row is all light shelf. There are probably thousands of materials here. Let's go to the first floor now and take a look at the heavy-duty shelf area here. Our heavy-duty shelf area is divided into 2. One of our European cabinets, a vibrator. You can take a look at the roller in the cave on our right. All in stock reinforced roller, lagging roller with electric drum here for you to see. This is a vibrating elevator. In our Mantiga models have 200 bars, 3 100 bars, 3 various models are complete. Here is black, then there are yellow and red. This is our scrapers here. Look at it. 1 layer, 2 layers. The following are all his right. Here's one of our off the rails series. Look at our derailment. He has this. All have this high quality green circle. Can play a role of dust proof and waterproof because it's a paint kiwi. All wrapped it tightly with protective film. Here is a middle hanging shaft. 1 layer, 2 layers, 3 layers, 4 layers. All are middle suspension. There are 219 are 273 are here. 3 are in stock here. We're also a Mango's electric lubricating cloth. Then on the right is one of our hosted brackets. That's also here is the motor. This is a series of motors. Look at the front is our wear resistant key area. If we have wear resistant keys here, we all have high points extra tall. There are also special keys. It's all over here. Where key there is an attic here. Go up and have a look. This attic is here to put some on the easier one. Show you all this cardboard box is like this dust filter. All the boxes here are dust filters. Here is an air duct that comes out of the water. Soft light seal. This soft light seal line. Stand here to see our warehouse. It's really stylish. You can take a photo of this place here. Our channel settings are very reasonable at a glance. It is neat and tidy, clearly identified, well organized, daily, strictly. Implement the Warehouse Success Management System. These are what we can guarantee efficient for our customers' premise of accurate shipment. Leave your order to us to give you peace of mind.